Hi guys, we're having a picnic today. It's dinner time. So, naami sa Baker Park. Itorta mo niya. Nice ni siya nga park. Lots of flowers. Okay, we'll see you.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna taste the never stop as we shuffle